All right, this video is going to be on this Lumary app. I'm going to try to explain to you a few things about this while I have the app up on the screen here. Right here in the top left, this is where you can turn them on and off. Pretty simple. On, off. And then the next line down, you have color, scene, rhythmic, DIY saved. If I just go to color, that's just going to give me straight color. Like there's yellow, blue, and you can go all the way down here to the bottom and pretty much make any color you want if you just want color. But the biggest thing right here, if we go to scene, now we can go to scene, and then right below scene, you got scene, life, festival, mood, and color. All those are all different things. So if we're on scene, I'll just show you a couple of my favorite ones here on scene. So we're on scene, scenery, like beach. I kind of like this beach one. Now all these different ones are like little presets that they made up. If you find one that you kind of like, you can go into, like, say I'm on beach and I push this little edit button in here, like right below where it says save color and it says edit. Push edit like that. Now I have that saved as one of my favorites, and you can just click on it and then you can change that. Like right now they're using yellows, blues, and whites. I can add a color and let's put, like, I don't know, some green in it. Push save. Now I have green in it, and then when you get that in there, you got to push preview. Now it's going to preview, and there's going to be some type of like green in there, I guess. You don't even barely see the green in it, but you can also change the speeds or the brightness for everything you do. Like I can turn down this brightness to, like, say closer to 50%, 47%. Now that's that. You can turn it down even more to like 11%. That would be that, but that's kind of really dim, so that's kind of weird. You can change the speeds of like what it's doing right there. We'll put that all the way up. Preview that. Now it's changing them quicker. Now what it's doing right there, I guess that's called their rainbow effect. So if you look up here to the top, it says motion effects. You click on that one, and there's all these different effects. So if you got that and you kind of like that, but you want to change it, you could change it to meteor. Push preview. Meteor shower. See that's even different than meteor. Now I can change. Now you'll really see the speed change if I change that. Preview that speed. Now it's going to go really slow. You can just cancel that. If you don't save that, it won't save there. Cancel. All right, let's go to some of these other settings I like. I really like this firefly night. That looks kind of neat. Sunrise right next to that. That one gradually turns on and off. Different colors. Looks like they're using some reds, whites, oranges, yellows. See, like I said, all these you can change. If it's just close to what you want, you can still change it. Then you got ones in life. They got one called work. Star journey. I thought that one was kind of neat. I like these ones that are like white and off-white that come on and off slowly. Like if I'm having like a family Thanksgiving dinner at my house, I can kind of light my house up so my friends and family will be able to see my house better with something like this. I like that. So like you see this Star Journey one. I kind of think that looks neat how it does that. So I want to see how it's doing what it's doing. I can just click on edit and click on Star Journey, and you can kind of see what it's doing. It's using the gradient motion effect, sectioned, and then you can see the speeds and the colors it's using. So like if you like that gradient effect, you can put that on other ones. But you got all these other ones. You got festival. Let me cancel that, which is a bunch of different ones. This is what they got set up for Halloween, which I'm not sure what I think of that. It's close. I think I'm going to change that a little bit. I got Halloween coming up here. I don't know what I want, but that's not exactly what I think I want. We'll figure it out. I'm going to have to change that around. Even well, I changed Christmas. This is what I got for Christmas. I don't know if my wife's going to like it like that or not, or if that's going to drive us nuts. I can slow that way down so it doesn't go that fast. Then you can put all the way down at the bottom, you can click on my favorites, and then I have some of my favorites set in here. So there's one of that Firefly Night. Turquoise was kind of neat. Smoke fills, I forget what that said. That says more than smoke fills. Sunrise. Christmas. They're all my favorites. And you just click up above that at the top here and it takes that out. Now up here where you click more, like all the way to the top here, right? Click on more. And there's a timer where I can have this, and I click on timer and I click this plus sign all the way at the bottom right, and I can make this turn on and off. You can cycle it for every day, once, or custom. So if I wanted this every day like it's during Christmas time, I could click on every day, and then I can put on here when to turn it on and when to turn it off. Alright, well that's it for this video. I hope this video did help you out a little bit on explaining how to use that Lumary app. This thing does a lot of stuff. If this video helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a good day.